Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble solution. First, gather your ingredients: 6 cups of warm water, 1 cup of liquid dish soap, and 1/2 cup of glycerin or light corn syrup. Combine the water and dish soap in a large container, then gently stir in the glycerin or corn syrup. This simple recipe creates a fantastic base for countless hours of bubble fun. To enhance your bubble solution, consider using distilled water. It reduces impurities, leading to stronger bubbles. For optimal performance, allow your mixture to sit for at least several hours or even overnight. Remember to stir gently to prevent too much foam, which can hinder bubble formation. Don't be afraid to try different dish soap brands. Some work better than others. Ready for advanced techniques? Craft a large wand from 2 sticks and string to make truly giant bubbles. For extra elasticity and durability, try adding just 1 teaspoon of baking powder to your solution. If you want a constant stream of bubbles, a bubble machine is a wonderful investment. Store any leftover solution in an airtight container for future bubble adventures. Encountering issues? If your bubbles pop too quickly, simply add another tablespoon or 2 of glycerin or corn syrup. If the solution feels too thick, gradually mix in a little more water until it reaches the right consistency. The best days for bubbles are calm and humid. Most importantly, always ensure children are supervised while enjoying their bubble-making fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.